Thermocouple Trainer Kit, Mars make ME1054. In this trainer we have used K-type chromal aluminum thermocouple with this kit, heating rod, beaker. Here is the kit and one thermometer with manual is supplied. Here is the room compensation network and this is the signal condition circuit for the thermocouple. Now follow the procedure from the first step. Connect negative of the digital parameter to ground and positive at TP3. Put this switch on center. This switch have center position, millivolt position and degree C position. Now switch on the instrument, place it center position, positive to TP3. Now set VR3 for the 273 because AD590 is give the output in Kelvin and we have required in temperature in degree C. Now read the value of room from the thermometer. Here we have 26 plus 73, 273. We have used 10-turn potentiometer for the better accuracy. Now 273 plus 25. That means set 295 with the help of 273 plus 25. This is also 10-turn potentiometer. Here we get 295. Now remove the positive lead and put it to DPM. Now this is the calibration of the compensation. Don't set these potentiometer to other setting, fix it this value. Now here is we have millivolt source. Set this millivolt source to, put this switch to millivolt position and set with this set millivolt to 10 millivolt, positive 10 millivolt. Here we have the negative value, but you have to set it positive 10 millivolt. Now place the ground here. Firstly, we will short the input of the thermocouple conditioning circuit from here. Set 0 with the help of this port if DPM not show the 0. Now give 10 millivolt to input of the signal conditioner circuit. Now with the help of set gain port, get this 100, 10 times gain with the help of this. For the better accuracy, repeat the steps 2 or 3 times, and after setting these ports, don't change the position. Now remove the and place the thermocouple over here. Now you can get the temperature from here and millivolt by toggling the switch to millivolt and get the millivolt from here. heat the rod and don't switch direct to 20 volt. Connect, and for the better accuracy, take the reading when the temperature goes up to 100 and then cool down. Here we get the millivolt as the temperature will increase, and here we get the temperature increases. Here is the manual. There is the observation table. Temperature in DPM we can get from here by toggling this switch to degree C. Effective temperature DPM, and room temperature you can get with the help of thermometer. Standard actual voltage from the chart given in the manual last page, and the actual display of millivolt you can get by toggling this to millivolt. And here is the millivolt, the thermocouple. For the temperature, here, and here we get the millivolt. This is the sample observation. Here is the actual display voltage, and standard is this. Because we have increased the multiplication factor 10, so reduce the actual display voltage by multiplication factor of 10. As the temperature increases, minus this temperature to room temperature, and here we get the millivolt, the thermocouple. In this way we can take the observation and verify the thermocouple with the help of this trainer. Thank you.